Northstar to go skiing our second day in Lake Tahoe. We are going to head through the village and then catch the gondola up. Green Bee Explorer also has videos of our trip to Lake Tahoe. Make sure to check out her channel. We were all given a game to play where we had to read our clues, figure out what the clue meant, and then take selfies in front of whatever we thought the answer to the clue was. This was my first selfie. Even from the top of Northstar, there was beautiful views of Lake Tahoe. This video has pictures and some video from my phone. There'll be more footage from my GoPro in another video. I thought this might be an answer to another clue, so I took another selfie. And here is another selfie. For every clue that you answered correctly, you would get a playing card at our group dinner, and you had to play poker against the other players. We had lunch at the Zephyr Lodge. I took some nature pictures here. We walked around the village after skiing, and remember that most of my skiing from Northstar will be on my GoPro footage, which will be in a different video. We are back on the bus, but there is just beautiful views.
Okay. You can see that whole thing down the bottom. Clearing coming up.
Yeah, and see what we missed or didn't. Oh, pretty. Missed all these shots, huh?
It was just so pretty around the whole lake. I took a bunch of pictures. As you can see, the sun is setting. The mountains in the distance were reflecting on the lake. It was just so pretty. Enjoy all of these serene nature shots. We decided to go to Azul for dinner. It's a Latin kitchen. It was a big group of my ski buddies. This is not the best picture of us. I ordered then salad de mar. I just love shrimp ceviche. This is me with my Tijuana toddy. Also got this cucumber and onion salad. Thanks for watching.